Yo! What up, people? Oh, God, it is bright today. Anyways, what up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today, I am going to be... Oh, great, I left it inside the car. Okay, back to what I was saying, is that today... Oh my God, what's going on with me? For today, I am going to be repairing this right here. And you guys are like, what's wrong with it? Nothing's wrong with it except for not working. I don't know if I mentioned before in my earlier videos, but I gotta fix it because inside, when I took this off, the wire was cut. So I'm gonna see if I can solder the wire and get the horn working. And that's not the only thing that I will be replacing today. I got this in the mail, and finally a new horn button. As you can see, this one is battle scarred from about 8 years. I kept this for sentimental value for my previous Honda. This one is cool. It's more shinier. Well, you can't tell because it still has plastic on it. More shinier, and this part pops out a bit, and this one's always had this indent, but for the most part, logo's the same. This one doesn't have the silver trim on the outside, which I like, but I'm gonna see if I can get this on here, and I guess it's something new for the new steering wheel as well. Dude, it's like super bright. It's giving me a headache. There's some more stuff I'm gonna do to the car today, like reposition some of these bolts or actually buy new nuts for them, because on the bumpers I do not oh, I just got shocked. On the bumpers I do not have anything behind them. See, nothing's behind it, so I'm gonna get some nuts or bolts, whatever you want to call them, to grab behind it, and that'll be good. Like this one fell out. I didn't tighten it all the way because I was putting this on. The blade was dull and it got stuck and it cut it that way, so I was like, great, I had it perfect, but I'll get another one of that. Just a lot of small stuff, and hopefully I can get this painted as well. Also, another thing with this car that I am going to be doing today is, oh my God, most definitely clean everything out of this car, because I have my tools and I've just been throwing them in there. And I also am moving to a new place, so this is the aftermath of just stuff that I used to help move and whatever. So I gotta clear all this out so I could do the hardwood trunk eventually and get my measurements down. And just overall, because there was a storm, I just gotta clean the car again. Some of the water or debris is coming in through here and resting on the kit, which I don't like. And when I take off the front for paint, I'm going to take off this on the inside because that one's still there, and hopefully it gets it more flush, because I don't want nothing coming out here no more. And also behind in here it's just open, so I'm going to put like some type of weather stripping or something right here, so that way I don't have mud and dirt just going through, probably scratching up the paint. I'm glad my car doesn't have paint now, so that way I can see like what's happening and seal all spots like this, so that way I don't damage like my new paint when I get it painted eventually. So I gotta keep an eye on the car and how the kit responds, and dial some stuff down. Like right here, I have to put some type of bracket underneath, so that way this section stays flush. It's not all the way flush, but it can be if I have it pushed in like right here. See, it stayed flush. I really don't know where this video is going, but let's get to work. Make sure that it's straight first, which it is straight. Oh, take these off. Great, the last one got stripped. Looks like I can't take it off because this bolt right here is completely stripped. One turn and it's smoothed out the whole entire inside, so doesn't look like I'll ever have a horn for a bit. until I figure out how to take this off. Got David back here.
Okay.
Got the David back.
What up, bro?
Hey, does that work?
It looks kind of small on my face.
Yeah, no? Oh yeah, I can see it right here.
Like the round things? Or
yeah.
No? Right?
But I think that's the style, you know?
Probably, yeah.
The style is supposed to be small.
See, everything has a solution.
You know, right?
A little bit.
Hey.
You can reuse this one.
I was gonna just say, I guess you just use it.
There you go.
Here we are, and I do know that this one, I don't know how that happened, so I gotta figure out where's it gonna reconnect to. Oh yeah, I need to lock it. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah.
Come out?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool.
Now I'm trying to figure out, oh, right here. Okay, let's show you guys what is up. See this hole right here? What's supposed to be going through that hole is that hole right there. But this glue came off the back part of the quick release right here. And now I gotta figure out a way to resolder the wire back to this and glue this thing to the back of this. Hey you guys, I fixed it. I'm just gonna put a little electrical tape right here just in case to make it real tight, and then put it back on here. This is the little thing that I made years ago so I could touch this, and that's how I made my horn have contact. It should be touching this contact point right here. But yeah, cool. So now I'm gonna glue this onto this edge right here, so that way it stays, so that it matches with this hole right here. And I get my horn back finally. Well, this glue is super strong. I just barely stuck it on. It's already locked in place. It is not budging at all. Alright, see, get it straight. I have an arrow on there. There we go. Let's torque this thing down and get it on. Alright, you guys, new horn is in and it all works. I'm still gonna keep this. I can't throw it away. Damn, 8 years with this thing. I got these new light harness and they have little brackets right here. I'm gonna take this contraption off with the zip ties because it does not look good. You guys wonder how my lights flicker? I have the special LED flicker bulb where it breaks, it flickers, then it pulsates. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. It should lock. There it is. All you do is connect these. It's really hard doing this with one hand because I am holding the camera and struggling. Nice. Tuck that away up in there.
Why do you don't have a cameraman?
Because I'm not rich. I have a really big YouTube. You want to be the cameraman?
Okay.
Okay. So what you want to do is hold this and you look through there. Here, if you want to see it better. And right there for now.
The light is too bright.
Well, back up. You're too close.
Oh, yeah. Camera.
See, look, aim it at the light.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Now keep it at the light to see if it flickers.
Okay. Yep.
Yep, they flicker.
Yeah, it flickers.
Let me do it again.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, people, it looks like we're gonna head out because we're all actually really pooped at the shop. So we'll probably continue this video another day. Alright, I had to pull you guys out of there real quick. Well, I just realized I actually deleted the outro to this video, but it wasn't much because at the end of this video there was nothing else to do. We were all really tired. Right now I'm probably like a month in the future from this day, because today is actually March 23rd. As you guys can see, the scenery is a little bit different, and this is like my parents' house and this is my sister's new room. I'll explain a little bit more of my new place probably in the next video. So on the next video, you guys will probably see me on my birthday, which is the 14th of February, and I think I did vlog a little bit of my sister's birthday. There is a reason why I'm here at my parents' house, and I'll explain that more to you guys in the next video. Hopefully that this video here, because I hear a lot of people always have a problem with the horn button, and it's really not that hard to install. I just hope you guys, some of you guys are able to use this video as a reference on how to fix a quick release if there's problems, or learn how to install a horn button, because it's not too much to it, just as long as your wires are not crossing or connected to a awkward ground. I really do hope that this video helped you guys some way, somehow. If you guys made it to the end of this vlog, I would like you guys to put a like down below, comment if this video helped you guys out a lot. I know it's pretty short, but it's straight to the point, and I know some of you rather me get straight to the point, because it's that way you guys learn something a lot quicker. I think that'll be it for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.